Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. There is a breaking news coming up, so we thought that we will share it with you. We know that this has become very common now, and aspirants even in our Telegram channel are telling us not to give us update related to Education Minister. But we are here to give you all the updates because we never know which update will be really useful for us. And this time it is a long press conference from our Education Minister, and during that press conference he made some important announcements like directly which are related to the teaching aspirants across Karnataka. He told that teacher eligibility test in Karnataka, which is Karnataka TET, will be conducted very soon. And he also told that as soon as TET notification is done and the exams are completed, immediately they will be conducting CET, which is the common entrance test related to teacher recruitments in Karnataka, which he has been announcing since a while now. He had told about the 18,500 teacher recruitments, right? They are related to our government school teacher recruitments and aided school teacher recruitments. So he is talking about that, and looks like this time he is very serious because he has called for press conference and he is giving the update. He also told that as the Nagmohan Das sir committee is now done and the report is also out, based on that they will be calling for the teacher recruitments as soon as possible. Okay, so aspirants who are not taking these things seriously, please make it sure that this time you are serious, because there are high chances that after TET, CET will be conducted, and this time it is going to be really tough because many aspirants are preparing since years. So you have to be really very serious and make sure that you are preparing regularly, because if you are preparing for TET, indirectly you are preparing for all the teacher recruitment exams. And it is a good news for you if you have already qualified for TET. But if you have not qualified for TET, then things are going to be tough for you because you will not be eligible for GPSTR. So please make sure that this time you prepare nicely and motivate yourself to apply for TET as soon as the notification comes. And make sure that you qualify TET, because only then you will have chance of getting participated in the recruitment, because it is very important for you to at least write the exam to have hope that you will get the job, right? And for that you should be qualified in TET. Okay, of course there are exams like HSTR where TET is not needed, but then why take chance? It is better you write all the teacher recruitment exams, right? HSTR also, GPSTR also, and CRIS also, because CRIS also, I mean the aided schools recruitment is also coming now. Okay, so please make sure that you take this news seriously. Just don't see the news and leave it off. Okay, now I will play the video clips of the press conference. You can see that also.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ TET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೊಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ CET ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು 18,000 ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ನಾವು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ನಾಗಮೋಹನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಇದು ಆಯಿತು, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸುಮಾರು 6,000 ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, 18,000 ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ 6,000 ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಅನುದಾನಿತ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2016ರಿಂದ 2020ವರೆಗೂ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈಗ 2025ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫುಲ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೇಳೋದು ಎರಡು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Also, there is one very important news related to Karnataka TET. See, till now the department sources were telling that TET will be conducted online this time, right, in Karnataka. But now the news is coming that Karnataka TET will be conducted offline only again. Okay, we know one GPSTR aspirant. He is having a Telegram channel also. His name is Ali Hebbal. Now he has talked over phone to the officer in education department. I will play the audio. You can hear it here. So he is telling that Karnataka TET will be conducted offline only. Okay, so aspirants who are preparing for TET, Now again come back to your original mindset only, that Karnataka TET will be conducted offline only. Okay.
ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಅಲಿ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ್ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ ಇದು TET ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಸರ್? ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಅಥವಾ ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹೌದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್?
ಆಫ್ಲೈನಾ ಸರ್?
ಹ್ಮ್
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಇದು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಏನ್ ಸರ್?
ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅನುಮತಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಹಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನವೆಂಬರ್ ವರೆಗೂ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
So these were some important newses which I wanted to give you. I really hope that this information is helping you all. Thank you. All the best. Bye.